I'm glad you feel that I'm breaking the barrier. The idea is to only break barriers and push envelope. I think एक artist की एक responsibility, एक जिम्मेदारी यही है कि वो कहीं ना कहीं barriers थोड़ा पीछे push करे. So I think that the response already has been overwhelming to the film, and it's a film that reflects the times. तो एक बहुत ही contemporary, honest film है, and I can say with great confidence that while the sensuality is omnipresent. In fact, sensuality is not a male domain. It's not only a male director who has the, capacity to be able to go and make a woman look sensual. I think it's a domain that we women must claim. So I think that it's sensual, it's erotic, but there is not a single second of the film that is vulgar. And that's the difference in a female gaze and a male gaze. Yes, I saw Sunny in a magazine, I think in 2002, and I'd liked her face very much. Contacted her at that time, but she was busy doing other things. And when we were casting for this film, there was so much speculation. Is it Malika? Is it Bipasha? Is it so and so? That's why I even designed this. When I was tearing my hair out, my husband told me, he said, "Do you remember that you wanted to cast this girl in Jism?" I said, "Yeah, that's true." So I contacted Dino. I said, "Check her out. Don't get shocked." He checked her out, got totally shocked, and said, "But." So I let it be. 3 months later, she was on TV for Big Boss. So I said, if she can be in my living room, जहाँ पे families बैठ के खाना खा के बिग बॉस देख रहे हैं, then why can't she be in a film? हॉलीवुड में भी जॉनी डेप ने, पॉल शेडर ने पॉर्न स्टार्स के साथ काम किया है. तो eventually when you cast a music director or you take a song from Pakistan, you're taking it because music, art can't have barriers and boundaries. Arnoday I saw in Ye Sali Zindagi, which I loved, and then I saw him in a wonderful ad that he had done, and it was actually that ad that clinched it for me, and I said, this is my Ayan, because I wanted Ayan, who's an IB officer, to be somebody who was not your typical filmy face persona. I wanted someone who looked rooted in the here and now, somebody charming, somebody who evoked trust, and Arnoday has all of those qualities. And then my nightmare began, कि कबीर कौन होगा? पागल हो गई मैं. Then my father dragged me into the editing room and showed me 2 scenes from Jannat 2, and I was floored by Mr. Huda, and I'm so glad that he is Kabir, because I can't imagine anybody else giving that role so much. Well, I've had 4 flops before this, and my father also had 4 flops just before he made and released Arth, and I think that was a game changer for him. So I do hope that Jism 2 will be a game changer for me, because I think that I would like my rightful place in the sun, and I've worked hard on this. I've worked sincerely on this, and I do hope that it's kind of accepted with the same degree of sincerity and empathy. Dino got on board because Dino and me have done a film called Holiday together, and he's been wanting to produce for a long time. So when he knew I was making part 2, he approached me and he said that, hey, can we work together? So I said, why not? Because I know him, I trust him, and we've gone through a flop together. And when you choose to work together after a flop, that means there's something to your relationship. Sunny, for example, we knew she had her limitations. She's not a trained actor. She learned the lines and got them out of the way. I didn't have to worry about her dialogue delivery. Randeep, pleasure to work with. Arnoday, absolute delight to work with. So on occasion, they used to all talk a lot, so I used to keep asking them to shut up, but otherwise, no trouble at all. Even beyond the point, want to know what people think. And I think that is the first and only sign to your own heart that you've done decent work, is where you're not dependent on the other person's response beyond a point. Well, it's already a success technically, because the music is a hit. We made this film for a really paltry amount of money in comparison to what money is being spent on other movies. And it's already a win-win situation. If things go well, I'll be going into overflow on the first day itself. And for me, a film is a success not when I make money. I'm hoping that this is a win-win situation for everybody, because Jism 3 is what I plan next. And that's only possible if this works like magic.